Okay, this is the rolling mill that I bought off Amazon, and my husband converted it to where I can use a power drill with it. So whenever you get it, it's going to have your handle on it. It has your little key here is in here like that, and it would have your bolt and your nut on there. So you're just going to unbolt this, and you're going to pull your key and the handle off. I did not take my bolt off because I was going to show you what we did there, but you would take your bolt off in order to get your handle off. And then when your bolt's off, you are going to, so this was the bolt that we had used in there. This is what held the handle onto the shaft that turns the rolling mill. So you're going to take this off, and then you are going to add a bolt to it. Once you add the bolt to it, it looks kind of like this. It doesn't have to be any specific bolt. You're just going to want to make sure you're using a grade 8. You want the strongest bolt you can possibly get, because I had a lower grade bolt like this in there, and it sheared off and got stuck, so my husband had to fix it. So you want to make sure you put your nut on the back side of your bolt so that it does not get bottomed out in here, and then if it shears off, you're going to have problems. So do that, you screw this into here, and then you just put the drill on this part here, and that's what turns your rolling mill. So that is an option, and the other option would be a stud out of like an engine. So this is kind of what it looks like. The one that we used, we ended up using this one like this. The short end goes in there. It is not bottomed out. It's already short enough that it won't bottom out in here. And then he used a grinding wheel and ground it square. So then when the drill grabs onto this square instead of, where'd I put it? Oh, instead of this, it's just another option. They both worked about the same. This one seems to be a little bit easier to keep your chuck on your drill on there. So I think it's just because it's square. So that's what's worked for us. It's really been incredible, and I've been really happy with it. Okay, so you're gonna open up your drill big enough to where you can slide this on here, and then you're gonna tighten your drill like so. And then whenever I roll a piece through, I cock the drill like this and hold it up against my hip, and then you're gonna start your drill going, and then you're gonna roll your piece through. But I like having my hand here, that way it's not kicking out or causing any problems. So you're just gonna push the drill like this and run it through. I hope that's helpful.